Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through this week's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end the week. All four of the major indices ended higher on the week, with the Russell 2000 closing up 1 3/4% higher, while the S&P 500 closed up just over 1%. The Dow Jones and the NASDAQ 100 also ended higher, both gaining just over 0.6%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week, energy was the leader this week, gaining over 5%, followed by communications, which gained 4.5%. Consumer discretionary was the biggest loser this week, closing down 1 4/10%, followed by real estate, which fell. Looking at some stocks on the move, Tesla fell after earnings and revenue missed estimates, then warned that its rate of expansion may be notably lower this year. Analysts reacted by cutting price targets on this stock, including Wedbush, which cut its price target and removed the stock from its best ideas list. The EV company closed down almost 14% on the week. Netflix also reported earnings this week. The streaming giant reported a boost in subscribers as well as earnings that beat expectations. The stock closed up more than 18% on the week, its best weekly performance in over a year. And Intel fell after issuing disappointing guidance for the first quarter during its most recent earnings event. Meanwhile, the company topped estimates for earnings and revenue for the fourth quarter. The stock closed 12% lower on Friday, marking the worst day for the stock since 2020. Let's look at what to watch for next week in data. Tuesday, things kick off with jolts and consumer confidence, followed by ADP non-farm employment and the announcement of the FOMC decision on Wednesday. Thursday, we'll see manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing. And to close out the week, we'll see on Friday the jobs report, factory orders, and consumer sentiment. But in earnings, Tuesday we'll hear from General Motors, Microsoft, Alphabet, and AMD. Wednesday, Boeing will report pre-market. Then on Thursday, more mega-cap names will report post-market with Meta Platforms. And then to close out the week, Friday morning, we'll hear from ExxonMobil and Chevron. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to SchwabNetwork.com.